Good morning students, welcome back to Sheba online class. Today let us continue the second chapter, complex numbers. In this complex number we have to see properties of complex numbers. Okay, properties of complex number in addition and multiplication. In addition there are 4 properties. Similarly in multiplication there are 4 properties. First one is closure property. Closure property in addition, that is, for any two complex number z1 and z2, their addition is also a complex number. ரெண்டு காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பர் எடுத்திங்கன்னா its addition is also a complex number அப்படின்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு commutative property in addition is for any two complex number z1 and z2, then z1 plus z2 equal to z2 plus z1. So நம்ம change பண்ணி add பண்ணாலும் சேமாக வரணும். This is our commutative property. Third one is identity. Additive identity is 0. Okay, 0 we may write 0 as 0 plus 0i. Okay, if you add this 0 to any complex number, z plus 0 or 0 plus z, we get the complex number z கிடைக்கணும். This is true for all the complex number. Okay, for all z belongs to C. Next, inverse. Inverse of the complex number in addition is minus z. Okay, for every z belongs to C, that means for every complex number there exists an minus z, that means it's negative complex number, such that z plus minus z plus z எப்படி மாற்றி ஆட் பண்ணாலும் we get the additive identity. additive identity என்ன வரணும்? 0 னு நமக்கு வரணும். So z plus minus z plus z we get 0 னு வரணும். Okay, the 4 properties in addition. Similarly in multiplication, closure property is for any z1 z2 in C, their product is also a complex number. ரெண்டு காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பர் எடுத்து மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் அகைன் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பராக கிடைக்கணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் காமுடேட்டிவ் இஸ் z1 into z2 equal to z2 into z1. Third one multiplicative. Multiplicationல identity. Okay, and multiplicative identity is 1. 1 நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம் அப்படின்னா 1 plus 0i, காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பர் டைப்பில் எழுதுகிறோம். 1 plus 0i, 1 means real part only, காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் இமேஜினரி பார்ட்டே இல்லை அதில். ஸோ அதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன போடுறோம்? 0 into i, 1 plus 0i. So if you multiply this 1 with any complex number, we get the complex number. Z into 1 equal to 1 into z equal to, we get again z. Next inverse. Inverse is z inverse னு சொல்லுவாங்க. நம்ம வந்து ஒரு w னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம். z into w equal to w into z equal to 1 னு வரணும். If you multiply the complex number and its inverse, we get 1. 1 is what? Identity element கிடைக்கணும். Identity element அது 1 தான். அந்த 1 வரணும் நமக்கு. அப்போ தான் these two are called inverse of each other. Okay. So next, அந்த inverse எப்படி define பண்ணலாம்னு பாருங்க. Suppose z equal to x plus iy, then z inverse equal to is an x divided by x square plus y square plus I into minus y by this. We return this as x minus iy, x minus iy divided by x square plus y square. அதாவது z x plus iy இருந்ததுன்னா இன்வர்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஒரு சைன் மட்டும் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும். x minus iy by x square plus y square. X square is real part square plus imaginary part square. Understood? Next let us see exercise 2.3. First sum z1, z2, z3 is given and show that we have to do second one, second subdivision. z1 into z2 into z3 equal to z1 of z2 into z3. The bracket மட்டும் change ஆயிருக்கு. Full multiplication. Okay, first take left hand side. Our left hand side is Z1 Z2 into Z3. Okay, first substituting for Z1 1 minus 3i into Z2 value is minus 4i, okay, into Z3 is 5. First multiplying Z1 and Z2, we get 1 into minus 4i minus 3i into minus 4i, so plus 12i square into 5. Okay, next minus 4i, and substituting the value of I square, we know I square is what? Minus 1. So 12 into minus 1 into 5. So we get minus 4i minus 12 into 5. Okay, now multiplying the bracket with 5, we get minus 20 into I minus 12 into 5. 12 into 5 is what? 60. Okay, first write the complex number in the rectangular form. Rectangular form means first write real part and then write imaginary part. Okay, minus 60 minus 20i. This is our answer. Understood this? Okay, this is our left hand side answer. So mark this as 1. LHS. Next you have to write RHS. RHS is Z1 into Z2 Z3. This is equal to Z1 is 1 minus 3i and Z2 is minus 4i into Z3 is 5. 1 minus 3i into, first multiply Z2 and Z3, we get minus 20 into I. Now multiplying minus 20i with this 1 minus 3i, we get minus 20i. 1 into this is minus 20i, minus into minus, plus 20 into 3 is what? 60. I into I is I square. So minus 20i plus 60 into, instead I square we put minus 1. So we get minus 60. Now write in rectangular form, we get minus 60 minus 20i. This is our second equation. This is our RHS also, and from 1 and 2 LHS equal to RHS. These two are equal, isn't it? So from 1 and 2, what is left hand side? Left hand side is Z1 Z2 into Z3 equal to Z1 into Z2 Z3. Okay. Next we see second one. Second one, Z1, Z2, Z3 is given and show that Z1 into Z2 plus Z3 equal to Z1, Z2 plus Z1, Z3. First write the given complex numbers. What is Z1? 3 and Z2 minus 7i and Z3 is 5 plus 4i. First take left hand side. Our left hand side is Z1 into Z2 plus Z3. First write Z1. Z1 is what? 3 and write in bracket Z2 is minus 7i plus Z3 is 5 plus 4i. Now combining real part and imaginary part separately, here we are having only one real part, that is 5, and two imaginary parts, minus 7i plus 4i, we get minus 3i. Now multiplying this with 3, we get 15 minus 9i. Mark it as equation number 1. Next is RHS. What is RHS? Z1 Z2 plus Z1 Z3. Okay, Z1 is 3 into Z2 is minus 7i plus Z1 is 3 and Z3 is 5 plus 4i. Now multiplying we get 21i minus 21i and multiplying these two we get 15 plus 4 3s are 12i. So here we are having only one real part 15 and two imaginary part, that is minus 21i plus 12i. Minus 21 plus 12 is what? Minus 9i. So this is our second equation. Listen, our both the equations 15 minus 9i, here also 15 minus 9i. So these two are equal. So we can write from 1 and 2. Write the question as it is. Z1 into Z2 plus Z3 is equal to Z1 Z2 plus Z1 Z3. Understood? Next let us see third one. Third one, 3 complex numbers are given. Find the additive and multiplicative inverse of those 3 complex numbers. Z1, Z2, Z3. இது மூணும் additive inverse find out பண்ண போறோம், multiplicative inverse find out பண்ண போறோம். And we know very well additive inverse. Suppose Z is the complex number, its additive inverse is minus Z. Is it using this? First write given complex numbers. Z1 is 2 plus 5i and Z2 is minus 3 minus 4i and Z3 is 1 plus I. First we know that the additive inverse of Z is minus Z. Okay. Similarly, first Z1 find out பண்ண போறோம். Okay. The additive inverse of Z1 equal to what? Minus Z1. So change all the sign of the terms. இந்த ரெண்டு டேர்முக்குமே சைன் சேஞ்ச் பண்ண போகிறோம். மைனஸ் ஆஃப் 2 plus 5i is equal to what? Minus 2 minus 5i. Okay. Similarly, the additive inverse of Z2 is minus Z2. So minus of Z2 is what? Minus 3 minus 4i. Changing all the sign of the terms, we get 3 plus 4i. So minus into minus plus 3 and minus into minus 4i. Next you have to find the additive inverse of last one, that is Z3. The additive inverse of Z3 is minus Z3. So minus of 1 plus I. So we get minus 1 minus I. Okay, we get all the 3 Z1, Z2, Z3 ki additive inverse find out பண்ணிட்டோம். Next we have to find multiplicative inverse. Okay, multiplicative inverse we know that if Z is x plus iy, multiplicative inverse of Z becomes Z inverse, which is equal to x minus iy by x square plus y square. X minus iy means just change the sign of the imaginary part. அந்த imaginary part ஓட சைனை மட்டும் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுறோம். divided by ஸ்கொயர் ஆஃப் ரியல் பார்ட் ப்ளஸ் ஸ்கொயர் ஆஃப் இமேஜினரி பார்ட். இது 1 மார்க்கில் கேட்கும்போது டைரெக்டாக போடலாம். சப்போஸ் 2-3 மார்க்கில் போடும்போது காஞ்சுகேட்டால் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி போட போகிறோம். ஓகே ஓகே மல்டிப்ளிகேட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் Z inverse. Z inverse means what? 1 by Z. Okay, Z inverse is 1 by Z. So multiplicative inverse of Z1 is what? 1 by Z1. It is equal to 1 by Z1 is 2 plus 5i. Now conjugate alla multiply and divide பண்ண போறோம். So multiplying this by conjugate of the denominator and divide the conjugate of the denominator. Okay, conjugate means sign change பண்றோம். I உடைய sign மட்டும் change பண்றோம். So 2 plus 5i ன்னு இருக்கு. 2 minus 5i is the conjugate of 2 plus 5i. So 2 minus 5i ஆல multiply and divide பண்றோம். So we get what? 2 minus 5i in the denominator. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, which becomes what? A square minus b square. Now using this formula we get 2 square minus 5i the whole square. So 2 minus 5i by 4 minus 25i square. Is it 25i square? Okay. Next 2 minus 5i divided by 4 minus 25 into, instead of I square we put minus 1. Okay, 4 minus 25 into minus 1. What we get 4 plus 25. So 2 minus 5i divided by 29. Understood this? Okay, listen, 2 minus 5y by 29. Listen this formula, x minus iy by x square plus y square. நம்மளுடைய z1 is 2 plus 5y. That means 2 minus 5y வரணும் நியூமரேட்டரில், அதான் வந்திருக்கு. டிவைடட் பை ரூட் ஆஃப், சாரி ரூட் இல்லை, எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் ப்ளஸ் ஒய் ஸ்கொயர், எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் ப்ளஸ் ஒய் ஸ்கொயர். எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் இஸ் 4, y square is 25, adding these two we get 29. ஓகே, சப்போஸ் 2-3 மார்க்கில் கேட்கும்போது இந்த டைப் போடுங்க. 1 மார்க்கில் கேட்டாங்கன்னா நீ டைரெக்டாக அப்படி போடலாம். மல்டிபிள் சாய்ஸில் கேட்கும்போது இந்த மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் நீங்கள். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு மல்டிப்ளிகேட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸ் ஆஃப் Z2. சிமிலர்லி multiplicative inverse of Z2 is 1 by Z2, that is 1 by Z2 is minus 3 minus 4i. Okay, now multiply and divide by its conjugate. Minus 3 minus 4i உடைய conjugate என்ன அப்படின்னா minus 3 plus 4i. Okay, minus 3 plus 4i. So we get minus 3 plus 4i divided by, this is also of the form a minus b into a plus b. The same formula, minus 3 the whole square minus 4i the whole square. Okay, it is equal to minus 3 plus 4i by minus 3 whole square is 9 minus 4i the whole square is 16i square. That is 1 by Z2 equal to minus 3 plus 4i by 9 minus 16 into minus 1. Minus 3 plus 4i by 9 plus 16. Is it minus into minus plus? So we get minus 3 plus 4i by 25. Okay, minus 3 plus 4i divided by 25. Next, let us do multiplicative inverse of Z3. 1 by Z3 which is equal to 1 by 1 plus i. Okay, now multiply and divide by conjugate of 1 plus i. 1 plus i conjugate is 1 minus i. Is it 1 minus i, 1 minus i. So in the numerator we are having 1 minus i. Denominator, this is also a plus b into a minus b form. So a square minus b square, here a is 1 minus b square is i square. So 1 minus i divided by 1 minus i square. So here 1 by Z3 equal to 1 minus i by, this one 1 I square is minus 1. So we get 1 minus I divided by 1 plus 1. So we get 1 minus I by 2. Okay, understood this? Do the homework in the same method. Thank you, students.